This is a quarter. This quarter represents the work that is imposed upon every single customer who chooses to use your laundromat. It also represents a significant amount of work for you as the owner.
Multiply that quarter by a few thousand and you start to get the idea of all the work this quarter requires each and every week. But what if you could eliminate all of the aggravating and time-consuming work with one decision?
The only payment system for the laundry industry that provides owners with the ability to strengthen your brand and increase customer loyalty by utilizing the power of video content. Each of your machines instantly becomes a powerful marketing tool that no longer requires coins.
At IPS, we are excited to empower laundry owners by liberating you from collections, improving your customers' experience, creating brand loyalty, and increasing profitability.
We invite you to visit our website or call us today to discover more about this incredible opportunity.